From MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat. We'll point out some options on the boat. As you can see in the back, we get triple 350 Verados. Great horsepower to weight ratio. These are also joystick docking. We can actually walk the boat sideways. So come on this way, we'll kind of point out some of the cool features on the boat. Number one, we've got a really nice bait well in the back, and this is your dive door. So if you're docking or something like this, makes it a little easier to get off the boat, or if you're lucky enough to catch a tuna or marlin and you want to pull them in, I guess you could do that too. This is a killer fishing boat, but also built for comfort. You've got a very comfortable back seat. It actually rolls up out of the way, gives you quite a bit more deck space. Our fish boxes, since the boat's foam filled, are naturally insulated, and this is absolutely beautiful right here. This is your fisherman's dream. So you've got room for your leaders, your pliers, fillet knives, bait prep station, beautiful drawers right here, all very, very heavy duty. So I don't know if you're like me, but I have a tremendous amount of terminal tackle that I take out with me when I fish, so you can never have too much storage. As we go around here, you notice the hard top. This is all powder coated right here. That means that it's not going to rust or pit like the bare aluminum. Super comfortable at the helm. We've got 3 captain's chairs, if you will, and if you notice this thing right here, if you're kind of short like me, this gives you beautiful visibility. So we've got full windshield all the way around. We have a windshield up there. This one's equipped with a big Marine Hybrid touch screen. This is going to be your vessel view right here for Mercury. And you've got other room too. So this one does have your autopilot standard with your joystick and your digital throttle and shift as well. But one thing I like, visibility is awesome. Even backing down, I've got plenty of visibility back here. I don't know if I mentioned this, but tons of rod holders. So as we go around, talk about comfort. You know, you can take 8, 9, 10 people out, super comfortable up here. Up front, of course, we've got our windlass. We have cup holders everywhere, a killer JL audio sound system. And this is comfort right here as well. I mean, you get armrest and everything all the way around, and cup holders. Can't have too many cup holders. This is one thing I like about the boat, is your storage. So down here, you get room for a cooler, you get room for 8 to 10 foot rods, tremendous amount of storage on the boat. On the other side, we've got a fully enclosed head. If you want to come on down here and take a look. And as we mentioned before, heavy duty. You won't see this type of hardware in other manufacturers' boats. Heavy duty stainless. So as we go down here, we've got our T-Collie soles, we've got our sink, we've got storage all the way around, vacuum flush head system. Everything's easy to get to. Of course, you've got shore power. Absolutely beautiful layout. So great fish boat, great dive boat, but also for the family, gives you those creature comforts. So anyways, just awesome boat. One of our best sellers from Boston Whaler. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. To recap real quick, 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage, MarineMax Venice. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.